Hey, what's up you guys? Dave Perez here. Welcome to my channel. Let's just get right to it. We're putting vinyl on a glass cup today. Etched vinyl onto the glass so it looks like it's etched. Right? Yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm actually working on Christmas gifts right now, so you guys are gonna join me. I have two images that I'm using already set up. Let's see if you can see this. So I'm going to do some initials and a softball with the number 23 in. Okie doke. I have the images ready. I'm getting ready to cut the vinyl. I already have the vinyl on. So we just have to cut the images right now. We're going to get that going. And then we'll be able to transfer it over to this cup. Okay, so if you want to know how to do that, stay tuned. All right, so check this out. I have the vinyls cut. Let's see if you can see. Let me just. All right, so the next move, we have to weed out the vinyl we do not need. So let me show you that. Oh. You know what I was thinking? Things you need in order to do this, right? So you'll need the vinyl, whichever vinyl you're going to use. If it's going to be a color, etched, glitter, whatever it may be. You can go pick up your vinyl, and then you need to cut it. So I guess you need a cutter and the program in order to do that. But if you're local to me and this is something you want to do and you just need the vinyl, but you want to do everything else, let me know because I can get this cut for you and I can ship it to you, all right? So keep that in mind. If you have a project that you want to do or, you know, an idea like this, let me know. I'll cut it for you and I'll send it out. So you'll need vinyl, you know, your computer software, your design. After that, whatever your substrate's going to be. So we're going to use this glass to do this. Then you'll need, honestly, you'll need to clean this. So Windex, something. Always clean your surfaces when you're putting vinyl so that it sticks better. After that, I use an X-Acto knife to do all my weeding. Then you'll need transfer tape, which I'll get to in a second, to transfer the image over, you know, boom, boom, boom. So those are things you'll need. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me weed this. I'll change the camera angle so you can check it out. I'll be weeding these and then we'll go from there. Okie doke. So I have three images on here that I'm going to do. Etched glass, you have to be careful with. It's not like your regular vinyl, like your blacks. You can kind of see through it. So, but it's thicker. Okay. I'll weed these out. Here, I'll do this one so you guys can see. You probably can't see because my hand's in the way. Just removing the part of the images I will not be using. Okay, so alright, so here's one of them. That'll go on a cup, and then, well, these should be pretty easy now, because the rest is just lettering. Okay, now that we have these weeded, it's time for the transfer tape. We just need a small piece to cover that. Oh, you know what I forgot in the supplies list? You need a squeegee or anything hard like you can use a debit card as well. Go ahead and send me your numbers and I'll charge it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Don't really send me your debit card numbers. All right, so now check it out. We have our transfer tape on. Okay. Now I just gotta just cut out the pieces you need. Here's one. Maybe we'll do this one for the cup because you can see the letters better. There's two. Okay. Here's three. So now that we have our logos cut, logos are cut, masked, ready to go. Cup is clean. Let me give it another wipe down. Use alcohol or like Windex, or just wash it really good. Okay. So now let's see, how am I going to do this? I guess just look over me, right? You're going to use, I guess you could measure this out if you want. I like to just wing it. See what happens. Okay. So, transfer tape. It pulls that vinyl off of the backing paper. This is the backing paper. This is what it came on. Okay. So now, here's your cup. Let's see. Let me clean it again. If I were to do, I might just hold this. I would probably hold this in my legs, but just so you guys can see, all right? I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna wing it. That looks decent. All right, so now all right, so that's there. Let's see if we put it on straight. Then you just peel the transfer tape off. Oh, that is nice. See that? It's from the inside. Turn it around. Sorry about my creepy eye. There you go. That came out really good. All right, so what I would do next now that you have your lettering on, heat it. If you have a hair dryer, blow dryer, you could run your blow dryer over it just to heat it. It'll activate the glue on the back of the vinyl, so that'll help it stay. But yeah, this is good to go. And actually applying the heat will help because these are going to be washed, so in order for that glue to hold nicely, add some heat, but you should be good to go. I like that. That came out really nice. So that is how you apply etched vinyl to glass. Got it? Cool. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you like this video, please hit like, share, subscribe. If you have any ideas you want to see me do, let me know also in the comments. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day.